EVerify Explained.
Thank you for joining us today on the Ray Law International channel. Many Americans think of immigration as something isolated, unrelated to them, and an issue that can be extricated with little or no consequence. However, immigration is woven into our system and culture and impacts each and every American. That is, every American that ever got a job here in the U.S. Each person, U.S. citizen or not, must complete Form I-9, which is administered, controlled, and managed by our immigration departments. That is why here at Ray Law International, we create these videos to educate and explain the immigration laws and procedures that affect you and your loved ones. As a foreign national, it can be scary anytime you're asked to provide proof of authorization to be present in the U.S. There are multiple systems in place to accomplish just that. Today, we're going to explain the EVerify system.
What is EVerify?
EVerify is a free, web-based tool that is used by employers to verify eligibility to be employed in the U.S. The system does this by matching information that was provided on the employee's I-9 against the records contained in the Social Security Administration and the Department of Homeland Security records.
Who can use it?
Generally, using EVerify is voluntary, so not all employers are required to use it. The exception is those employers with federal contracts or subcontracts, employers in states that require its use, or those who must use the system as a result of a legal ruling. Any employer who seeks to use the system must do so no later than the third business day after the employee begins work for pay. In addition to confirming identity information, the system will provide a photo to further substantiate the employee's work authorization status.
What is the result of an EVerify search?
An EVerify search will present the employee's status as it pertains to their ability to work. If the employee's information is matched with EVerify records and shows that the employee is authorized to work, the system will display exactly that. Otherwise, the system will notify the employer of the following: if verification is in process, if the records don't match, if there is an open case in process that is needed to provide authorization, if the information on the employee's identification is incorrect, or if the system is definitively unable to confirm authorization. Here's how it may affect you. If you are a foreign national whose work authorization is not officially granted, the system will notify your employer. Now, depending on the situation, it may be an issue that is easily rectified. However, if your situation is one that requires a more in-depth solution, it may affect your ability to continue with employment. That's why it's so important to be honest with prospective employers about your employment eligibility. If you are a foreign national in need of work authorization, get in touch with our firm. We have the experience and knowledge to guide you through that and any other immigration process you or a loved one may be facing. Hey, did you know it is crucial that you have an immigration attorney involved in your immigration case? Get the Ray Law Advantage. Get the information and knowledge you need to have peace of mind. Stay updated on immigration matters by subscribing to our channel and sharing these videos with your friends and family. Stay informed, stay educated, and until next time, stay on the right immigration path. Bye for now.